Welcome to IT Boost YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show how to create charts using Visual Studio C# according to the database table in SQL Server. So this is the chart I made, generated according to the SQL Server database table. And more I have made, we can change the chart type: area chart, line chart, pie chart, bar chart. So first we have to create a database. So in your SQL Server, create a database. I named it IT Boost, and we have to use that database. After that, I am creating a table. Create car table, car sales, sales month, Vacha, sales month, IND, two data, the month of the sales and the amount of the sales. Right. After that, I am just inserting few datas. Right. And this is the, after that, just you can view the table here. So according to this data, I am going to generate the chart in C#. So you have to open your C# in your toolbox. Under the data, you have the chart. You have to drag and drop the chart, and you have to size the chart according to you. And in the chart properties, that is important. In the series collection, you have to click, and the series under the data, the name you have to give sales. According to the series sales, we are going to load the data. That's why I'm giving the sales, right? You can give any name, but here I made it sales, right? Now I have placed 4 buttons: button 1, button 2, button 3, button 4. So simply this is the design. All right. So I have attached all the SQL codes and the design. Right. Now you have to go to your code window. So here, additionally, you have to import these namespace. These will be default using namespace data SQL client, because we are connecting with the SQL server, and using system Windows form data visualization charting, because we are going to use the chart types. Right. So when the form load, we have to load the data, and initially we have to show the data type. According to the data, we have to show the chart. So double click the code. So private void form load, you are calling a function fill chart. So I have written the fill chart function separately. Here first we have to do the connection, SQL connection, making object con, new SQL connection, data source. This is your connection. So you have to put your connection. In my case, how you can find simply, here you can go to file, connect object explorer. Here this is the server name, the login name is SA, the password what you give. Here in my case I give 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? So here you have to give your server name and the database name, and the user ID is going to be mostly SA, and the password is going to be your password. And data set, making object DS, opening the connection, making adapter fill DS, right? Chart, to the chart data source DS, right? So DS your data set filling, right? And you have to give the chart series sales. That is the important. We named, can you remember? We named here, we went to the under the collection, in the series we named that one as sales, right? So that name have to be given here. Series, the sales, X value, for the X value, sales of month, right? sales month in our table. All right. Chart series sales for the Y value, you are saying the sales amount. And the chart title, you are saying car sales and closing the connection. So when it is page loads, according to your database table, it will give. Yeah. Right. So for the chart type, so button event, for example, double click, chart 1, series, sales, chart type, series chart type bar. It is a bar chart. For the other button, for each and every button, yeah, sales chart type. Right. So double click and give this thing. So in the description, you have a link. You can take this tutorial and you can try. I hope you enjoyed the video and learn how to create charts in C# according to the database tables. If you didn't subscribe us, click on the red subscribe button and like the video and comment your feedback that encourages us.